it has accumulated more than 2 million kilometers by deploying more than 150 prototypes through some of the harshest climatic conditions, stretching from the hot and arid environments of Rajasthan to the high altitude and extremely cold and tough terrains of Ladakh. From temperatures ranging from minus 10 degrees to plus 50 degrees centigrade and altitudes from 18,000 feet, Punch has been thoroughly stress tested and validated to take on what comes in its way.
यहाँ पे जब बारिश होता है वहाँ पे धूप खिला होता है, जब वहाँ पे धूप होता है यहाँ पे बारिश होता है, मतलब कुछ कह नहीं सकते।
Samantha, I take it you've crossed Garibal's checkpost.
मेरा नाम दालामा है। हाँ, फॉरेस्ट का मैं यहाँ के इंचार्ज हूँ, फॉरेस्ट गार्ड। गैरीबास से फिर ऊपर चढ़ेगा, ऊपर तो ये बोल्डर का रोड है।
गैरीबास से जो ऊपर का जो रास्ता है, कहीं कटा बोल के जो 2 किलोमीटर है, वो बहुत खराब है।
So it's a very different vehicle. It's a petrol vehicle, it doesn't have low range, it's a two-wheel drive vehicle. But the good thing is that it's got a very good ground clearance. The angle of approach and departure are fairly good. So we are confident that even if we attack these hairpins and this terrain at a slightly higher momentum to compensate for the lack of four-wheel drive ability, we should be able to make it without getting stuck or without any damage.
I think I'll be there in 2 hours. I'm in Kalbokri.
That's great. That's great.
As we drive along this road, we come across a holy lake. My grandfather always prayed at this holy lake. It has become a tradition for me.
Namaste, Bani.
Namaste.
शुभकामना छ। I think it was Samantha's sheer determination. Everything that we thought that the vehicle will deliver on, all that came together.
It is a very great feeling. It is the most happiest moment.
Completing this challenge, thinking of my grandfather with him in the back of my mind, it was amazing.
first approach, we are introducing the virtual showroom for Tata Punch, where customers can experience the vehicle both in augmented reality or on our Imaginator platform starting today. Customers can select the personas of their choice and browse through all the customization options on these digital platforms. I'm very excited to announce that starting today, customers can book the Tata Punch on our website and also across our wide network of 1,000 plus showrooms across the country with a booking amount of 21,000 rupees. Thank you all very much for being with us in this exciting product presentation. We can't wait to get the Tata Punch onto the roads. See you soon.